Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to bring you a simple recipe. This one is not, it doesn't have as many ingredients as my own recipes. So I figure I will bring you a simple recipe. This one is from the Betty Crocker book, Entertainment. Guys, if you like to have some recipe books, you find these books on the Goodwill. I mean, I have so many Betty Crocker books that I have found on the Goodwill for like $2.99. Anyways, today I'm going to be bringing you the simple banana nut bread recipe. So all you're going to need, I'm going to tell you what you're going to need. I'm also going to put the recipe in the description box, but I'm going to tweak it a little bit because I like to add some things that I actually have in my recipe. Okay, so you're going to need, of course, the loaf pans. So these ones are 9x4 and 2.5 inches tall. So, but you could bake it out in any pan that you like. So you're going to need 1/4 cup of sugar. So I have 1 cup of regular white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, as you guys can see. That's my choice to use a little bit of brown sugar for the molasses flavor. You're going to need a 1/2 stick of butter, room temperature, and if you forget, just put it in the microwave for like a few seconds and it'll go to room temperature. You're going to need 2 eggs. You're going to need 3 medium bananas. I only have 2, so I'm going to use those 2. It's still going to be good. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, and also you're going to need buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk. To make buttermilk, all you have to do is add a little bit of white vinegar or a little bit of lemon juice, and your milk will turn sour, so you will have sour buttermilk or buttermilk. What else? I think I said it, a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm also, it doesn't call for cinnamon, but I also have a little bit of cinnamon here. I have my salt, my a little bit of cinnamon, and my baking soda. So I have you're going to need I think I mentioned that 2. Wait a minute. Did I mention it? I can't remember. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of stir-rising flour. All right, guys. So you're going to mash your bananas with a mashed potato or fork. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pause you. And this video is part of the open collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Guys, it's fall, it's baking season. I mean, I bake all year round. So show us what you do for the holidays. So yeah, guys. And the host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More. And myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living and Jean Home Decor. So guys, I'm going to pause you right there. I'm going to put my ingredients together and then I'll be right back, guys. All right, in the bowl, you're going to combine your butter with the 2 eggs. Make sure you scrape your bowl and make sure that everything is well blended. So after that, you're going to add the bananas, buttermilk, vanilla to the egg mixture. Stir until smooth. Stir the flour, baking soda, salt, and once just until flour is moist, stir in the walnuts and pour into the mold. So I'm going to add I already have my eggs and my butter, so I'm going to add my sugar, my milk. I'm going to add my milk. So I'm going to add my sugar mixture. I'm going to mix that into well combined. Then I will add my bananas, and then I will add it to the flour. So I'm gonna pause you, and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay, guys? All right, guys, all that is done. Make sure you have your oven set for 350 degrees, and you're going to combine your mix, your wet mix with the dry mix. Stir, make sure everything gets nice and combined there. While we do that, we're going to put it on our loaf pans, and we're gonna bake them. Um, it, it depends on your oven, how good is your oven, and if you have a fan that spread the heat through your oven. I don't have that type of oven, so I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees. I will check it after 45 minutes and make sure the toothpick comes out dry. So I'm going to mix this really good. I'm going to add my walnuts. I'm going to add the majority of the walnuts, but I am going to leave some to decorate the top. So all right, guys, I'm going to leave you there, and then I'm going to come back with the end results. And by the way, guys, I will put the recipe in the description box below. But remember, guys, you can tweak it however you like, and make sure that you sift your flour. So this is what it looks like. I would like to be a little darker because I like cinnamon, but I didn't add it too much. I added only a teaspoon of cinnamon. You could either add nutmeg, you could add any spices that you like. So I'm going to add my walnuts, I'm going to put them on the oven, and I'm going to come back at you with the end results, guys. Well, guys, I already got it on my pan. It's a little bit, it's over here. I hope it doesn't overflow. So, guys, it's going to the oven. I put some walnuts on the top, and I put some, this is brown sugar, but the crystal one, the thick one. So I put some of that on the top for topping. So guys, I'll be right back with the final results. That's gonna be delicious, y'all. All right, guys, I'm going to post the photo in the thumbnail. So I'm going to leave it like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.